Hey guys, welcome back to Keesee's World, and if you're new, welcome. I am back with a wig review. Yay! Now before we get into the wig review, I'm gonna need you to do something for me. Come here. No, come here. Don't be scared. Come here. Go ahead and subscribe. Go ahead and subscribe. Yeah, I think this is the perfect time to do it because you're gonna be so in love with this hair I'm about to show you that you're just going to head right to the description box, click on the link and purchase and not come back. So I'm gonna need you to subscribe now. Great, glad you did that. This is the wig I'm reviewing today. It is from Asteria Hair. This is the box it came in, and in the box we got some lashes. We got some other lashes. Okay, these look a little more closer to something I would wear. These are looking a little scary for me, but these are looking a little closer. The lovely edge brush. The Melt Them Edges headband. And HD wig caps. Now let's get into this wig. I am reviewing today their 5x5 22-inch lace closure wig, HD, and it is a small cap. Yes, because I have a small head, so when I get sent wigs in my size, that's perfect. Oh, they gave me wig tape. Love that too. This is the hair. I believe it's straight, if I'm not mistaken. Ooh, it feels nice and full. Okay, I love that about it. Very smooth hair. It feels really good. This is what the front looks like, the hairline. Yes, that 5x5 hairline is everything. The part, they have a part in it, but it can actually go a little deeper. This is the lace part of the wig. So it is pre-bleached knots. The elastic band, which I definitely need. And then there's 2 combs on the side if you need to, if you like to use the combs. There's also a comb in the back. This is a dome mesh cap construction. So it's very thick and sturdy. And it is also pre-cut lace, which you saw. So pre-cut, pre-bleached, and it looks like pre-cut, pre-plucked in the front. Beautiful, beautiful. Beautiful. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and put on one of these HD caps and let's see how this wig looks straight out of the box. Okay. Definitely need to pull this wig up because right now I'm giving extra forehead. Okay, this fits very snug because it is my cap size. So sometimes when I get perfect cap size, I actually don't need the elastic band and I take it out. But the elastic band does help lay this down super flat. So for now, I'll leave it in. Up close and personal on my forehead. This is looking really good. Oh wow, I think my cap slid all the way back to here. Is that my cap? What's it doing back there? But you see this hairline is looking really, really good. I haven't put makeup on it and it is melting in, but this is definitely a wig straight out the box that you can wear. As you can see, it just looks good, feels good, smells good. It doesn't have a really harsh chemical smell, so you can wear it straight out the box if you needed to. All right, so I had to pull the camera back just so y'all can see the full length on me and where it hits. Right below the breast. I love this wig. It's so beautiful. So easy, like literally ready to go right out of the box. And I just parted it deeper because I like a deep part and I want to utilize the lace. It's a 5x5. I want that part to go all the way back to that 5. So I just deepened the part, made sure that it was nice and super flat at the top, and then I hit it with a flat iron just to kind of make sure that it was nice and straight and very lightly because it came out of the pack straight. But you can see all the shine that this hair has. It's so beautiful. It feels amazing. Run your fingers right through it. And it just looks really, really good. Like, this is definitely a vibe and it's something I can wear a lot. hairline is just perfect. I just put makeup on it, a little makeup just to get that flawless, seamless look. All the hair pulled into the front. This is how much hair you're getting. So it's a really good fullness, thickness. It's not thin at the end, so it's the same from the root to the tip, which I love. Always gonna put you onto some beginner-friendly wigs, and if you are a wig wearer and you're looking for a just grab and go, ready to go out of the pack wig, this is the wig for you. Very minimal effort to make this look good. Just want to say that, very minimal. This hair just has so much movement. That is it, y'all. This is a quick, straight to the point wig, and that's what we love for my people who just want simple wig, but it looks effortless. You pop it on your head and it just looks amazing, but you don't have to do nothing to it. This is the wig for you. The details are down in the description box. Got a link to it to this description box, so there's no muss, no fuss. Just click on that link and go ahead and purchase, and definitely let me know what you think. Any wigs that I recommend to you guys, let me know what you think, because I want to make sure that you like what I'm recommending, because I'm not recommending things that I don't like. You know what I mean? Go ahead, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I know y'all did in the beginning, but you know, I just want to double and triple check. If you didn't when I gave you the opportunity, come here. Yeah, you, come here. Come here. Go ahead. It's okay. I don't bite. Click it. Subscribe. Welcome to Keesee's World. Yeah, yeah.